We have an auction today. I'm really excited about this. It's a farm equipment auction, and so we have looked yesterday. We went and walked it, and today we have a list of items that we're interested in seeing what they go for and if we're players in the game. So I really love auctions because it's a great way to buy things that you need at pennies on the dollar. Retail is just crazy, and when you're trying to build out a farm, there's expenses around every corner. So this is super awesome that we have an opportunity. This auction happens 4 times a year, and we just happened to be here this time. It worked out that we would be here on the day that the auction's happening. So we're gonna go with tag and tag along and kind of see what's going on and hopefully make some smart purchases. This is exciting.
On the auction.
We are out here at the auction, heading in.
It's fire season again, and the ash in the air is my stinging, and I can hear the winter slowly awakening. The mountains are my only.
I'm ready to go get a battery.
There's a butterfly on the camera.
Trying to brush them off. All right, we're wrapping up from the auction. I'll show you what we got loaded up and ready to go. All right, here's what we got loaded up and ready to go. Either feeders, something for goats to play on, who knows what. Target practice, they're $5 each for some massive tires. Got a long pole, some galvanized I-beams, a nice rake, or I don't even know what it's called. Another I-beam, and some galvanized channel there. All on top of my sweet new trailer I paid $75 for. Super thankful. A lot of good stuff here. And then taking a load already, and I've got a bunch of metal pipe down in the truck.
So here we are. This is the next day. We had a lot going on yesterday and we had to get through a lot. We ended up buying a skid steer, and that was amazing. It was a lot of adrenaline and then a lot of just being exhausted. We moved a lot yesterday. We were out in the sun. So I think that we were able to accomplish what we came here for. We were blessed. We got a good deal on a skid steer. We ended up paying $17,000 for a 80 horsepower skid steer. It was a blessing. So we are looking forward to getting started on our building process. So this is our skid steer, and I couldn't be more pleased with it. It's really a beautiful piece of equipment. I am excited about it. So it looks like I could benefit from replacing the seat, putting a new door on the front. But I mean, she runs. Has air and heat. I mean, she's a workhorse, that's for sure. So it needs to be cleaned, and we need a door. But I mean, it's pretty awesome. We will be able to do all kinds of stuff in this. There's a cup holder. Yeah, it's dirty inside, but that doesn't mean anything. I mean, we need to clean it up. Beautiful. That is a beautiful blessing right there. Thank you, Lord.
Alright, see how the battery says 224? That's new. Looks like there's some stuff, but it's pretty awesome now. The fat treads. Wait, look how much bigger it is.
Well, the horsepower is double. So we need a tail light. Treads are a little worn. Door. Joe bought this trailer for $75. He bought steel beams, and he bought pipes and tires and a plow, and this guy just delivered it to us with our skid steer for $200. Power of community. I hope that this encourages somebody to buy dirt, not diamonds. I mean, this was a pure example of how you can turn that money into something that can be a huge help for you later. So until next time, we're praying blessings on you. And if you need help figuring out how to buy dirt, not diamonds, reach out to me, let me know. And I'm happy to share any of the tips that we have come across this way, because there's been people that have been willing to share it with us. We'll see you soon.